swear every time I turn on my computer, I'm at the exact same spot on this song. Let's start off with this guy.
Oddball.
What's up, Doodle? How's it going, man? Alright. Today is some touch-up. Just check this out. Boom. Check this out. Boom. Boom. I got it hooked up. So, that was fun. Took a lot of staring at code for a long time, but
Play ball.
I need to get the end game screen, because right now it's the default one. It looks kind of lame because it doesn't show the score at all. And then yeah, and then I need to get the loading screen info. Kind of like Overthrow has that little eye that kind of tells about the game. I want to do that, and then I think I might build my own loading screen. I got an idea for it, so. So let's open this dude, which is only going to open the one that I don't want it to open, like always. I don't know how it decides what to open, but oh, I also want to do pop-up text for events, so I'm going to throw that in. I was actually working on that before I left last night, so in here, but it was not working. So let me see. Let's head over there. Let's get all the monies.
Things are rarely as they seem.
So this should show something when I summon Rosh. Nada.
Very cunning. Our stars with
Alright. I didn't even get this printing out. Let's see. I actually don't even know if I'm including this notifications at all. Yeah, that'll do it. End screen, flyout, scoreboard, game setup, game info. Well, we want the end screen. Excuse me. Oh, here it is. Yeah. Should probably include that. The HUD. Let's try it now. Filters? I've never seen those before. My golden experience stuff has been pretty simple. There hasn't been anything too crazy. Oh, whoops. Just minimized it. No, still didn't get anything.
Such power.
Let's go check these things out. Item notifications calls an overthrow. Notifications. And overthrow notifications is what I included. Wow, that's pretty cool. That is really cool.
Oddball.
That's some pretty awesome logic. Like, that kind of functionality would save you a ridiculous amount of time.
Play ball.
we're in JavaScript, thank goodness. So we want to set that to false, and I can probably just leave it at that. There's no reason to empty out the text, because we will just overwrite it again. Yeah, whoops. Okay. That's interesting.
From the nest. It is not mine to command. All this was promised me, and
I looked and looked and looked, and I never ended up finding something that would allow me to do the minimap stuff. So, because you can attach a minimap icon to a unit, but you can't attach it to a, you can't attach it to a freaking item. And so I have no way to, like, set a minimap icon, which really bums me out. Yeah, I did look at this. Huh. I should look into it more though, because this seems like it would do exactly what I want it to do as long as I can get a good event type. I don't know how the heck I'm going to get the coordinates on the minimap though. That sucks. You should be able to just give it a... You would think it would just look at the entity. Huh. So that's on the ability. What other type of minimap events there are. Ancient under attack, teammate under attack, teammate died, tutorial task active, hint location. Oh doodle, might be onto something. We interrupt this front end for some Lua. So what I'm thinking is if I put that inside of my, oh, did I change this? Yeah, and I changed it back because it wasn't going to work. Let me throw it inside my increment score function for now, because this is inside of a think function, which is on the item. So, is this a global? It looks like it. That's team. That's caster. I wonder if you can. I wonder if this will show up for both teams. I might have to just manually put team 2 and team 3. Yeah, everybody knows who team 2 and 3 are. I actually wouldn't mind this one being on a 1 second interval. Which is funny because in this think function I'm not even returning. Nice. Let's see. So we don't have a target location, we're just gonna have a caster. How do you extract something out of it? You probably have to normalize it first. Length 2D. Length of vector in the X and Y plane? No, I just want to know the X and Y. You can just do a dot X. Oh wow, well played. I didn't. Oh wait. Duration. 1 second. Let me try this real quick before we leave. Everything looks great on my end. Wonder why that didn't update. Ping minimap at location. Oh, yeah, it's broken, that's why. What's up, Captain? I heard it, but I didn't see it. That did not look like it pinged the minimap. Alright, anyways, that's fine. Don't worry about that right now. Let's go check this out. Oh, what the heck? Why is... what? I must have not clicked update on my stream title. This is day 11, yo. That's gonna mess... I'm gonna have to go change the name of the VOD. Like a
Oddball.
day
You have the ball.
Oh my goodness.
More than likely. I see the way.
I can't decide if I like the sound.
Play ball.
I see.
It's a little bit obnoxious.
So it goes.
That is perfect.
Such power. As counsel,
What happens when we drop it?
mist shows me it is not mine to
When you drop it, you'll just maintain vision of it, I guess.
You have the ball. Furnace.
Okay, what if we do? Yeah, I may have to think about that one. I wonder... why do you have to do that? I'll have to think about that.
Very cunning.
Oh, why did my vision break? Man, he is slow.
A dark thirst slaked.
It's like a sonar. I don't think I've ever heard teammate teleporting be a thing, so yeah, I don't think this one I've ever heard this one make sound, but I have seen it. Like when Wisp is teleporting, you don't hear that. Where the freak are we? Here we are. I wish they would let me make my own custom minimap icon and stuff. Put a little skull.
Oddball.
Deep I drink from the fount of fate. You have the ball. I see the way.
Well, I mean, that's not bad. Yeah, you can attach really cool icons and stuff to units. So I could do a little skull if I did it that way, Captain. The only problem is, like, can you really create? Well, you. Yeah, it's just dealing with units is kind of like messy. Like I've even stuck units like deep underground, and you can still target them on the surface. And so I feel like it would probably just, like, I could see it getting buggy. I don't think this one is bad. This one's got a better sonar feel. Let's see what it looks like when somebody else is carrying it. Oh, that even shows who is carrying it.
For the House of Ernest.
Oh, that's what the player color is. Wow, well played. I took the player color off of my bar. I should probably put that back. Nah. I just really want to put an icon up here that shows who has the ball. I am totally cool with that, and I'm actually not upset that my vision broke. because I was thinking about that yesterday, and I was like, that's gonna suck. You will never be able to juke anybody if they have vision of you all the time because of the ball. But let's do, yeah, I think it looks freaking doodle coming through.
So it goes.
Okay, so we don't have vision of the ball until it respawns up here, I bet.
I travel.
Maybe not even then. Man, I swear, like, Valve updates stuff, and like I gotta go fix it. It's like, why does everything break like every day? I gotta go refix everything. Ball's not respawning. Yeah, I think this works great for now. I submitted a suggestion to be able to put icons on items, which I think is going to be a pretty standard use case eventually. I think people will start to be like, oh, I want to create something like Diablo where, you know, when a legendary item drops, it puts it on the minimap. So, I'm sure the use case will continue to grow. So I may just end up redoing this whole thing then. So let's take this and not put it in this think function, because I have a different think function that does respawn ball check, which is not working currently. So we can get rid of the give vision. I can't think of why this wouldn't be working. But if we just put this in here, then it should give us vision of the ball constantly, even if the ball is dropped. I mean, it should give us a minimap.
Oddball.
Attempt to index global caster. Yeah, that's an issue. Didn't think about that one. What is this property again? Entity. Let's just do ball then. And then let's try that, but I think we were going to have to do some sort of if statement. Yeah, the give vision thing was just like an I can't figure out the minimap thing, so we're just gonna go with vision. But then the more I thought about it, I was like, oh, I don't like that. Okay.
You have the ball.
Alright, so it looks like we're not even gonna be able to do. Okay, I got an idea. Ball holder is either gonna be ball get owner or game.get dropped ball. Yeah, I guess I could check them all. That should work.
Oddball.
Floods my veins. You have the ball. Coming.
Oh wow. I'm like staring at the minimap and I'm like, oh, that one's not too bad. And then I looked up and I was like, oh, yeah, that's not gonna work. Alright. Not that guy. That's hilarious. Okay, well I don't think the tutorial ones are gonna work.
Oddball.
You have the ball.
Huh, that one doesn't do anything. I was gonna say, I don't think I've ever seen that as a minimap thing. Oh, what just broke? 190? Saying ball doesn't exist. Ah, because ball was removed. But ball should get repassed back in. Alright, so we'll have to do ball. Or get dropped ball. Oh, we're gonna have to rethink this. So oh, I didn't change this one. Yeah, I did. Also, I don't need to restart in order to do this. I should just script reload. It's a think function, it should change.
Oddball. I don't think a bunch of these are even minimap events. I wonder if you can edit them. my script reload. Where the heck is... Oh, teammate teleporting. I was like, where is it? No, that does not work. I think it might be because I broke. I got a breaking error. So far, I think I'm just gonna hang out and stick with this one.
Oddball.
Ball holder is still nil. Well, I guess that kind of makes sense. Because if ball is, then ball holder will remain nil. No, because then if ball holder is nil, it should get the dropped ball.
Oddball.
Okay, so we got the ball and the dropped ball. Yeah, I think the entity just controls what... Yeah, I have no idea. No, okay, so what I think it does is that the entity... Basically, they're just... This should not be entity, this should probably be entity team. Or just like, casting team. Because I think it's going to compare team 2 to what team you're on, and then display the correct event. Because this is like teammate teleporting, which would look differently if like... If these aren't the same team, I just like, I don't know. The more I explain it, the more I'm like, I really don't think this needs to be here. But who knows? It works, so we're good.
Scarce contain such power. You have the ball.
Oh my gosh, it's awesome.
So it goes. Such power.
I like that it doesn't change colors.
Play ball.
Chill out there. Oh, that didn't work. Let's think about that for a second. It's because I'm not spawning the ball. Because this function only runs when the ball spawns, it sets the think on the context of the ball. But, alright, I got an idea. I'm actually not going to delete that. When I pass the ball right here. Oh, what is this? Yeah, entity might just be the color. That's so stupid. We might need to do this. True. I could do that. I could do that. Because it's just this, so... So I'm just gonna throw this into a function. Hey, come on, man. And then we'll just pass it. We'll just pass it a X and a Y. So this just needs to be if there is a dropped ball. Yeah, we're gonna save that. now we can just use that over here. Show the ball on the minimap.
Oddball.
Golden.
You have the ball.
Minimap event parameter 2. Okay, so I think that I'm gonna need to do this. Man.
Oddball. You have the ball.
Expected an integer but got void. Line 200. Wait.
I see.
Parameter 2. Expected an integer. Why are you tripping? Let me do this. See what happens to that when I pick up the ball. Okay, so it's canceling out right now. Pick it up.
You have the ball. I should say so.
Is null. Alright, so it just completely dies out. Okay, so is null equals false.
You have the ball.
Huh, that's funny that you can't even... Okay. So this is just... that.
This kills me. It is not mine to command.
Parameter 2 could be parameter 1. Or, to me, because technically this could be self, right? But I think it, or something like that. I think what's happening is that this is returning nil and I might not be checking for it or something. Why is that not canceling out?
You have the ball. I travel with the mist.
Yeah. Yeah, this check isn't working because... Dude, why the heck is this not even a thing? Might be broken. Because I think it's getting into here, even though it shouldn't be. And then this is probably returning nil, which then makes this return nil, and then it passes it in.
Oddball. I can scarce contain such power.
Okay, so that's returning false.
You have
True.
the ball.
So this should not even get into here. Wait. I don't think it's an issue with this. I do not think so. I think it's an issue with the one in here. Not passing the correct X and Y. Yep, I don't know what the heck I'm thinking, guys. There we go. Which means I didn't need to do this. I got a script reload. Okay, should be good to go.
Oddball. Look upon the Lord of Ernest and beware.
You have the ball.
Very
Indeed, we are. Let's make sure it stays there. It does. And then it should respawn in like 3, 2, 1. Oh boy. Right on. Praise the sun. Well, that was a fun excursion. I'm trying to remember. Oh, I was working on Roshan. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you, Doodle. That was an awesome find. That's funny that I had looked at that before, but I didn't think it would work for some reason. Maybe just because there's like zero documentation on it, so I'm really glad you found that example. Because I was just like, what the freak am I looking at? Let's close out that Lua. We were here. So I'm gonna have to get the team. That this is going to. So I can display the right text. I also want to go change all these classes and IDs as soon as I'm done with getting this going. Oh, the ping the minimap location. That was the other thing that was being weird.
Flowing.
So let's summon this dude. Yep, that did not ping the minimap.
I travel with the mist. Things are really as they seem.
Let me see what their function looks like. Let's see, so we are listening to an event. I think it's item spawn. Ping minimap, item spawn. Guess I can pull this over here so you guys can see it. And then in here, events. It's actually not in custom events. It's in, I think it's in, I need to start closing stuff. This guy. It's over here. Maybe it is not. What the heck is that? Oh, items. That's where it is. Okay. Send server to all clients. Custom game event manager. Let's see what other events we have, because we might need to send one to one team and one to the other. To team. Team number, event name, event data. Sweet. This is what we want. That'll make it much easier. Whoa. So that is inside of my spawn Roshan spawner. Okay, send to team 2 and team 3, and then we'll say in our data team equals 2. Now we should be able to pull in location. Ah, that's why that's not working, because this is just data. This is data.location, which is actually called spawn location. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking on that one. So, let's get rid of that. If data.team equals... Oh, wait, what the heck am I thinking? This is not the parameter I need to pass in. Has ball. And then team with ball. That's gonna equal if 2 is equal to team with ball, which is actually self.team with ball. Okay. So if as ball equals, then holy cow, it is. There's been too much Lua going on. This whole switching between Lua and JavaScript thing has been interesting. You have the ball. Cool. Cool. Alright, let's try this. I'll just have to reverse the logic to test it.
This place appears like a vision.
But you didn't like my equals? Wonder if I can wrap that in parentheses and have it evaluate. Curious. Must have broke. Yeah, I was gonna say, he didn't say oddball. Okay, fine. Let's see. Is that even a thing in Lua? Can you just to set this equal to this? I get the feeling it's just because it's in an object. But we will check that logic real quick. If that's not possible, I will be like, what?
Oddball.
Oh, we're good.
The Lord will hurt us, and beware.
False faults. Yeah, we're good. We are good. That's interesting. Since it's inside of an object, it just did not like that. That was unfortunate. But I would not be surprised. Lua is missing some like very basic things in terms of other languages I have used. I do not want you to do that. Let's give this puppy a try.
This place appears.
Really? What is going on? Team number? Oh my gosh. Well played. That wasn't even the issue. think my brain might still be fried from yesterday. Freaking 10-hour stream. We're almost done though. Just need to redo this loading screen.
Oddball.
Alright, let's summon this dude. Defeat Roshan to steal the ball. Let's reverse the logic.
Play ball.
Actually, won't even need to do that. Defeat Roshan to keep the ball. Good to go. Sweet. I love that it's so simple to send events from the back end to the front end. Oh, that's so nice. Thank you, Valve. You made one thing easy. One thing. I killed it before it had a chance to clear. There we go, and the minimap spawning, pinging works. Nice. 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 Alright. What other events? I would like to do some sort of like 30 seconds remaining type of deal. I guess people don't really know how many points they need to get to in order for the game to end. Oh man, that sucks, dude. No good.
A dark thirst slaked.
I did. Check it out. Bing, 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 bing. I already had it programmed, I just was doing it wrong. I was passing in an object instead of one value, which I thought it was. Loading screen? I kind of have an idea of what I want to do. Really? Oh, that's great. Let's think about this. Because I think what I want to do is full is large. That game mode was freaking lols. Just straight up. Ooh, that would be cool. See this big, let me point to it. This guy? This health bar? That would be nice, so you can tell when he's about to die. Ursa? Yeah. Chill out, dog. So I think I want to do something, no, it looks terrible, where, similar to the one that we currently have, which is ripped off of Overthrow. Oh, for some reason I thought it was just going to pop up. So, except I want Roshan and the Oddball. I was thinking about doing like a couple heroes and then the Oddball just...
Oddball.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's do, we could do something with this. Is there a way to fly around them, like no, I haven't thought about that kind of point system. That'd be interesting.
Play ball.
Actually, since he just said play ball, that reminded me that I need to finish amplifying the audio real quick. I'll have to think about that, Doodle. I'm trying to think of, man, you could have a game go for like hours. But that would be extremely intense. I think what I'm going to end up doing, which I've started to think about this a little bit since I've been getting closer to the end, is that I'm going to have different game maps, or which are technically just different game modes. You can load the same map, but I think I'm going to do like Pudge Ball, where everybody's Pudge, and then I could do something like Tug of War, where you have to win by a certain amount of points or something like that. But then I'll probably just call this one Classic. But that's kind of what I was thinking, is that I may just end up splitting it out. Because otherwise I feel like... yeah, I don't know, I think that'll work. But I mean, obviously, if one gets played way, way, way more than the other, like if everybody plays Tug of War and nobody plays Classic, then I would just be able to... oh, I guess that wouldn't really be an issue. Because it's not like it's separate code bases. The only difference would just be the point incrementer function. I'll have to think about that. I'm gonna write it down. Yeah, you can definitely do a voting system as well. I really want to hook this thing up to like an analytics. I don't know if Valve gives you any analytics. Yeah, I agree with that. I still think I will end up doing like a separate map. Well, it wouldn't be a different map, so I don't know if you've noticed, but when you go to play like if you go to let's see, if we go, where's Overthrow? And then I do create lobby. Anyways, it allows you to select a map, because like Overthrow has 3 different maps inside of it. So it wouldn't technically be like different main maps, it would all be the same main map. It would just be because they have like the desert, the mines, and then the forest. This one's the forest. So, but I think I could do something like point system would be voting, but then like if you wanted to play something like Pudge Ball, then it would be a different map. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe I'll just do everything voting. I'm trying to think. That might be best, because then if you create a private lobby, you can just name your game in the lobby Pudge Ball. Hey Marks, what's up? I've been trying to figure out how to say your name forever, dude. Is it like Marlx? Marlx? A lot of it? How much of it? It's freaking music. It's so stupid. It's also split up. I wonder why it's split up. I don't think I stopped streaming. I don't even remember what the heck this is. Oh, that's this morning. That's right now. Yeah, I was gonna say 9 hours and 50 minutes. What the freak? Oh, a lot of it got muted. Well, I mean, that's 10 hours, so I guess that's probably only like an hour of it got muted. Yeah, all these red spots are muted. Everything else is fine. Yeah, it's usually songs. I should probably go, well, I don't know if I'll even be able to figure out, because it'll probably mute as soon as I go to figure out what song is muting me. No. Nope, just those sections. Freaking audio copyright, even though I pay for Spotify, so it's like, really? But obviously the people who are watching it don't, so I don't know, it's kinda stupid. Probably just turn it down a little bit. And then I can just turn up my speakers. Audio. Yeah, it's the announcer from Halo. Some of the tracks were just really quiet, like this one. So I'm amplifying them. It's already in the game as well, so. I should say most of the tracks were quiet. The ones from Halo CE were good. I didn't get everything in though. I didn't get first touch. I still haven't figured out how to do that. Well, actually I could just check to see if the very first time the point incrementer runs. Oddball, playball, those are all fine. Oh, it's way quiet. And then I'm pretty sure I already did this one. This one sounds fine. Yeah. Cool. Alright, that'll update when it updates. I kept trying to get it to auto re-update yesterday and it just ended up, I was like, whatever, I forgot about it. And then when I came back later, everything sounded great, so I was like, alright, it'll update when it gets there. Something's cached. Probably just need to like restart computer or something. So, does anybody know how to use the Source Filmmaker? I guess I could just go figure out. That's a workshop manager. I just want to be able to get into my map. And take a picture. Actually, let me think about this for a second. So I basically just want to take a picture from right here with somebody standing right here, and I'll either find a way to put the oddball into their hand in SourceMaker or FilmMaker, or I actually might be able to find an animation of in SourceMaker? Or, I mean in Source Filmmaker? Or in Hammer? Seeing it. big black area. Oh. I guess I don't have a sky anyways, so... I might as well just do it in hammer then. Except that's gray at least. This is black. I mean, that's not a big deal. I can put something there. I'm probably just gonna Photoshop it anyways. Just take out all the black. Except I will need to do it in here because I need to add an entity. I'll need to add something. Let's see. I may need to think about this for a minute. Yeah, I can get rid of the gray part, it's not a big deal. I'm trying to think. Because I'm pretty sure there is a, you can't see your items in here. I don't think so. Can you do animations? I think you have to, you can do it with an effigy. This one's cool. Alright, stop. Man, I kinda know what I want, but at the same time I'm like... Let's do this. Pretty sure this is already saved. Yeah. Oh, but I don't think that's gonna make... Yeah, just doing some final touch-up today. So... I think as soon as I get the loading screen done, I'm like very close to being done. I actually need to leave in like 30 minutes. So, just gonna try and get some ideas real quick. Yes. I know there's a way you can view animations of heroes. Oh, mine looks retarded. That's hilarious. Oh really? I swear I've seen an animation that I want to use, but I can't quite remember where I saw it. I could totally just be making that up. I have no idea. Well, in the model viewer, how would you get the entire model of a hero? I know I've seen it before. I've seen Cyborg Matt do it before, but I don't remember where he did it. He had some sort of program for opening up the files and viewing them. You know, I just realized something. I should try all these sounds with my audio turned up all the way. Oh, I'm at 75%. We're close.
Oddball.
Yeah, that's not too loud. It's much quieter than that.
For the House of Ernest. As counsel. Play ball.
I got the Halo announcer, and no, that's the announcer from Halo. I was gonna do it myself, but we found all the announcer files, so Doodle helped me with that.
You have the ball.
So I am all this was promised me, and more.
Alright, those are fine. This game's so freaking loud. I don't want just like a lame freaking loading screen. But at the same time, it's like I don't want to I don't know. This is gonna take me a while to think about. In my to-do list, I even put like design and implement it. I don't know how that's gonna work. I should also add a pop-up thing, which I just noticed. I should go through and turn my events back on. That needs to be up here. Like, start uncommenting some stuff that I commented out so I could test it all. Stun all players. After I stun all players, I should definitely put some help text. So that people know what to do, because they're going to be a little bit confused if they're just stunned at the beginning of the game. We will send prepare pregame, and I don't think I need any data. But you probably have to send it, so that's fine. Let's add another gun of these guys in here. I'll set that to be... oh, that's interesting. It sounds too, like, obvious. It's like, well, duh. Maybe. But I feel like people could be a little bit confused. Do you guys think it'd be confusing when... here, I'll start it with the new scripts. Oh, I also need to do the info tab. Over here. So the game's gonna start.
Oddball.
Everyone's gonna pick heroes. And then you're stunned. So you can't go anywhere, you can't use anything. But you can buy your items.
I just might. Play ball.
So I feel like I might need to add a message. Yeah, I'm gonna have the little info button, which should explain most of it, but I'll at least put something up. I think it's... we'll do buy items, level up. Let's see. Prepare for battle. That was fine. When you do Overthrow has the info button. I think it might only show up on the loading screen, which I really like. So, I'm actually going to pull that in real quick. Game info. Yeah, I was thinking about doing a countdown as well, because I removed the time of the day, which... Yeah, I'll do that. I like that idea. Let's get this in here. Where is it? Oops. Let's not do that. Okay, I don't think I need those. But I will want to see the implementation of them so that I can add my own images, which I think I already have those. Yeah. Okay. So, let's close all this scoreboard stuff. I'll keep that open. Alright. Bug. There's no bugs in my game. Let's get real. I'm sure somebody will find something, which I will be grateful for. Okay. Let me just make sure we have everything we need. Yes. Okay, so this is the guy. Cool, cool, cool. So, let's do this. Why? I wonder where these variables are set. I bet that's localization. There's probably a localization file. Keeps track of all the strings. I don't even know where that would be. It's certainly not in there. Huh. Wonder where you do localization. Of course, I didn't save any links to Panorama, so... Localization. When the UI is loaded, it pulls from the localized file. Okay, where is that? Panorama localization add-on language name. Yeah. Must be a compiled file. Indeed it is. Cool. So, now we should have all of this. Maybe not. Alright. Am I gonna leave in a minute? To figure this stuff out tonight. I mean, I really don't want... I'm just gonna get rid of this background when I play tonight. By the way, I'll be playing this tonight. I know most of you are not in the US and you will be very much asleep. But I'll make a big Reddit post about it and about the progress and all that good jazz. And probably some times that I'll be playing if people want to jump on. But yeah, so I think we're gonna have to call it for today, and I'll just have to pick back up. I will be playing, I would tell you a time, but I don't know what time that will be for everybody else. So I'll be playing in I'll probably be back on streaming in about, let's see, in about 6 hours. And then I'll play sometime after that. I'll probably get this localization stuff figured out when I get back on. And then I'll remove the loading screen so that I'm not just ripping Overthrow's loading screen off. And then I'll probably just give it a try. So yeah, I know some of you guys, it's like that'll be freaking
Play ball.
2 in the morning or something, but that'll be 6 p.m. It's noon right now for me, so I'll be back on at 6 p.m. MST. But I think that's it for today. This has come a very long way. Can't believe we're just about finished. There's still some style stuff that I really want to do. I'll probably end up tweaking the front end for the next week. But yeah, I definitely think I'll be releasing it tonight, so you guys will have to jump on tomorrow, of course. You guys will probably all be asleep by the time I get on tomorrow. But yeah, thanks for hanging out, guys. I'll probably just continue streaming every single day as I fix bugs and play and take advice. So take care.